Hi everyone, welcome to week 9 of Educational Psychology. This week we're returning from spring break and jumping back into business as usual in this course. So I know there have been a lot of changes in the university for the remainder of the spring semester, and what your semester looks like was probably different from class to class at this point. But for us, since our course is already online, we're just going to continue with our course schedule as planned, which is on D2L and in the syllabus. And so this week we're looking at Chapter 11, the Effective Learning Environment. So we're jumping ahead, skipping a few chapters, but those chapters that we are skipping ahead of for this week we'll return to in later weeks. So this week you have your Check for Understanding number 7 due. Just listen to the narrated PowerPoint, pick out the 3 prompts, and respond to those this week. You also have your next classroom observation reflection paper due this week. We pushed it back from the earlier date that it was going to be originally due at, so that I could have some time to get you really explicit feedback, individualized for each of your papers for the second classroom observation reflection you turned in. So again, we're using the updated rubric, and I encourage you, if you haven't already, to download my feedback from that second observation reflection. Look really detailed at my comments to you, and then you can move forward and get the maximum number of points possible for this assignment based on that feedback. And if you have any questions about that feedback, please reach out to me. One of the biggest recommendations for this assignment that I just noticed as a theme through all of the last papers is I encourage everyone to attend to the detail of, sorry, my cat's jumping up. The fourth criteria on the classroom observation rubric includes a little nuanced detail that I'm sure was probably difficult to attend to, so I apologize for that. But part of that criteria is for you to discuss a specific teacher strategy that you observed in the video. And so what that looks like is, if there's those excerpts of teachers teaching in a classroom utilizing a specific skill or engaging in a certain action that you see, you have to write a little bit about that to fulfill that criteria on the rubric. But outside of that, I thought that everyone did a really nice job adapting to that rubric, and I appreciate all of your patience and flexibility as we changed that in the middle of the semester. You were all really fantastic about that, so I thank you. And besides that, I think we are all caught up. Oh, really quickly, there's an error on D2L, I believe, for the video for this week. We're watching No Child Without Motivation, and it is cited as 47 minutes in duration in the syllabus, but I believe it's actually 42 minutes. So I apologize for that error. You should be watching the video that is 42 minutes, titled No Child Without Motivation. So as always, reach out to me if you have any questions, concerns, and good luck with returning from spring break this week. I hope you have a really nice week, and I look forward to reading all your responses this week. Thanks.